A mental health and domestic abuse awareness conference was held at Walsall Town Hall on Lichfield Street, Walsall, organised by Kaushalya UK. The Mayor of Walsall, Councillor Anthony Harris, warmly welcomed distinguished guests from near and far. Ritu Sharma, CEO and founder of Kaushalya UK, outlined the organisation's aims, objectives and the event's agenda. The conference attracted a diverse audience from various professions and walks of life. Among the speakers were Councillor Garry Perry, leader of Walsall Council, Rohan Rishi Manghra, a senior advocate for mental health, Zoe Parsons, a counsellor specialising in domestic abuse and narcissistic abuse, Sharon Martin, founder of the Domestic Abuse Forum Walsall, and Dr. Harpal Singh, head of psychological support services. They provided in-depth insights into mental health, its causes, types and personal experiences.
By coming to these kind of events and actually talking about what things are, how things are affecting you, and also seeing from the community, a lot of people are affected. And hopefully together, we can get together and support each other for a better tomorrow.
It's amazing to be here today because to have so many people in one room that are passionate about helping survivors, helping victims, and just working together as one. Sometimes I think you can feel isolated, you can feel like you're the only one doing what needs to be done, but this is fantastic.
Kaushalya UK, the founder Ritu Sharma has organised in the Walsall Council with the Mayor's Parlour, and it has organised in terms of communicating the need of domestic violence information to be provided to our communities, to our institutions, that there is a way we can reduce this all with communicating with each other.
Here we are at Kaushalya UK striving to make a positive change in Walsall, around Walsall, in the world at a bigger scale, where we can, one, have open discussions around domestic health and domestic abuse and mental health, and two, have a collaborative, solution-oriented approach to be able to tackle these and have healthier societies.
Today it was wonderful learning about everyone's shared experiences, and I took some very valuable insights from today, and I'd encourage everyone to just contact Kaushalya UK to work with collaborative partnerships and support, and let's together help improve the lives of the women and men who suffer from domestic abuse.
I think it's really important that faith leaders are contributing to society, that they recognise, they understand and raise awareness within their establishments to help the wider community on domestic abuse.
This is no one of us knows more than all of us. We need to share information. We need to not think of ourselves but think of the other person who's going through it, and think of children, because it has an impact on children as well, domestic abuse, domestic violence. Too much goes under the radar, as was discussed this morning.
The good thing about this event is I've just been approached by a lady from another organisation who can relate directly to the talk I gave about domestic abuse and mental health in the military, and we're going to connect so that I can give her some extra support that she needs.
Sometimes the conflict needs mediation counselling. We don't go to mediation, we just go straight to the lawyer, we go straight to the court, we go straight to the police, and things get really messy. So what if we could change that? Often the inner fight, the inner clash, the inner conflict, the inner dispute is more powerful than the outer one. So what we start doing is, instead of cleaning up the inner dispute within ourselves, the fight with ourselves, we start fighting outside with everybody, and then we don't ask for help.
The day was very insightful, very educational, and I think the biggest message was to do collaborations and work holistically within organisations together to support women, so they can access all the support they need for themselves and their family.
I'm very proud to be here, and also I'm very proud to support what they're doing. When we've got a statistic that 1 in 4 women in particular, not always men, sometimes men, are abused, it's something that we really have to look into. And if ever there's an argument here or a reason for talking and for hope, It's to ensure that those that do have trouble do find somebody, and they are there to talk to, because talk is the solution.
Participants engaged actively by raising questions on the topic, to which the speakers responded with comprehensive and satisfactory answers. SM Irfan Tahir, World News, Walsall.